Hello friends, hope you are all doing well and preparing for your upcoming JEE and NEET examinations. In today's video, I would like to share with you a few important questions in chemistry from the topic classification of elements and periodicity in properties. This chapter must have been taught to you in your class 11. Let us recall these important questions which have been a part of the previous year's papers. Let us go through these questions. First question is, the strongest acid is A. Al2O3, B. MgO, C. Na2O and D. CaO. The right answer is option A. Al2O3. We know that the acidic character of elements increase across the period. Amongst the elements given in the options, aluminium has the highest acidic nature. So, the oxide formed by aluminium, Al2O3, is the strongest acid. The correct answer is option A, Al2O3. Second question. Hydrogen can be put in halogen group because A. It has deuterium and tritium as isotopes. B. It forms hydrides like chlorides. C. It contains one electron only. D. It is light. The correct answer is option B. It forms hydrides like chlorides. The reason is the number of valence electrons in hydrogen is only one. So, like the halogen group elements, hydrogen also reacts with an element to gain one electron and form a stable hydride. Question number 3. Which one of the following is expected to have the largest size? Option A, F minus, option B, O2 minus, option C, Al3 plus, option D, N3 minus. The right answer is option D. As we know that the size of the anions is always greater than the size of the cation, we have 3 anions in the given options. Amongst the 3 anions, nitrogen has the highest number of electrons. Greater the number of electrons in ion formation, larger is the size of the anion. So, the right answer is option D. Question number 4. Which of these has no unit? Option A, electronegativity, option B, electron affinity, option C, ionization energy, option D, excitation potential. Electron affinity and ionization energy are forms of energy and they have SI as units as electron volt per atom, kilojoule per mole, kilocalorie per mole. And excitation potential is a type of potential which is indicated by electron volts. So, electronegativity has no unit. The correct answer is option A. Fifth question. Which element has the greatest tendency to lose electrons? Options are A. Fluorine, B. Sulfur, C. Ferrous and D. Beryllium. The correct answer is option C. Ferrous. Down the group, the tendency to electrons lose increases. So, amongst the elements given in the options, fluoride, sulfur, beryllium and ferrous. Ferrous lies in the bottom. So, ferrous has the highest tendency to lose electrons. The answer is option C. Sixth question. Which of the following has highest ionic radius? Options are A. F plus, B. B3 plus, C. O2 minus, D. Cr minus. Amongst the given options, we can see that the anions always have a bigger size than the cations. So, amongst the two anions given in the options, O2 minus and Cr minus, O2 minus has greater number of electrons than Cr minus. So, O2 minus has the highest ionic radius. Seventh question. According to periodic law of elements, the variation in properties of elements is related to their A. Atomic number, B. Atomic mass, C. Nuclear mass, D. Neutron-proton ratio. According to Moseley's periodic law or modern periodic law, the chemical and physical properties of elements is a periodic function of their atomic number. So, the right answer is option A, atomic number. Question number 8. Which one of the following sets of ions represent a collection of isoelectronic species? Let us have a look at the options. Option A, K plus, Cl minus, Ca2 plus, Sc3 plus. B, Ba2 plus, Sr2 plus, K plus, S2 minus. C, N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus, S2 minus. D, Li plus, Na plus, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus. Amongst these options, option A is the right answer. Isoelectronic species are those species whose atomic number is same. In these options, in option A, potassium, whose atomic number is 19, gives 1 electron to get 18 as its stable configuration. Chlorine has an atomic configuration 17, gains 1 more electron to get stable configuration. Calcium has an atomic configuration 20, loses 2 electrons to gain atomic stable configuration, that is 18. Scandium, whose atomic configuration is 21, loses 3 electrons to gain stable electronic configuration 18. The right answer is option A. The set representing correct order of ionic radius is, let us look at the options. A, Li plus greater than Be2 plus greater than Na plus greater than Mg2 plus. B, Na plus greater than Li plus greater than Mg2 plus greater than Be2 plus. C, Li2 plus greater than Na2 plus greater than Mg2 plus greater than Be2 plus. D, Mg2 plus greater than Be2 plus greater than Li plus greater than Na plus. Amongst the options, option B is the right answer. We know that the ionic radius increases down the group and decreases along the period. Lithium and sodium are part of group 1 and beryllium and magnesium belong to group 2. In group 1, lithium lies above sodium, so sodium has higher ionic radius than lithium. And in group 2, beryllium lies above magnesium, so magnesium has higher ionic radius than beryllium. So the ions Na plus, it has greater ionic radius than Li plus, and Mg2 plus has greater ionic radius than Be2 plus. The right answer is option B. 10th question. The correct sequence which shows decreasing order of ionic radii of the elements is A, Al3 plus greater than Mg2 plus greater than Na plus greater than F greater than O2 minus. B, Na plus greater than Mg2 plus greater than Al3 plus greater than O2 minus greater than F plus. C, Na plus greater than F minus greater than Mg2 plus greater than O2 minus greater than Al3 plus. D, O2 minus greater than F minus greater than Na plus greater than Mg2 plus greater than Al3. Amongst these options, option D is the right answer, because when we see at the elements given in option D, O2 minus and F minus are anions. Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 are cations. So, anions have larger ionic radii than cations. Amongst these two anions, the O2 minus anion has higher ionic radius than F minus as it has more electrons. Also, the Mg2 plus cation is smaller than Na plus because of less number of electrons, and Al3 plus is smaller than Mg2 plus. So D is the right answer.